Welcome, fellow cosmic explorers, to a journey beyond the realms of imagination. Today, we invite you to unravel the mysteries and marvels of the Andromeda Galaxy, a celestial spectacle beckoning from an unfathomable distance of 2.5 million light-years away, standing as our closest galactic neighbor in the vast expanse of the universe. So grab a seat, buckle up, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Meet the Andromeda Galaxy, a magical spiral wonderland in space that's a whopping 220,000 light-years wide, bigger than our own Milky Way. Imagine, it holds a mind-blowing trillion stars twinkling in its celestial sky. In its spiral arms filled with young blue stars, shiny dust and fluffy gas clouds where new stars are born, there's a bright center hiding a supermassive black hole, a cosmic giant way bigger than our sun. Andromeda is like a superstar in a group of galaxies called the Local Group, where our Milky Way and the Triangulum Galaxy hang out too. In about 4.5 billion years, Andromeda and our galaxy will bump into each other in a spectacular space dance. Even though Andromeda is super far away, you can actually see it with your own eyes on dark, moonless nights. It looks like a fuzzy patch in the Andromeda constellation, inviting curious minds and stargazers to explore the beauty of the unknown. Around Andromeda spin its best buddies, M32 and M110, helping to shape its cosmic destiny over many, many years, adding more charm and sparkle to this space fairy tale. As we look up at the Andromeda Galaxy, we're reminded of how huge and amazing the universe is, where galaxies twirl, stars are born and vanish, and the endless story of creation and destruction unfolds right before us. Andromeda, the namesake of both the galaxy and the constellation, is derived from Greek mythology. In the ancient Greek tale, Andromeda was a princess who was saved from a sea monster by the hero Perseus. The constellation Andromeda is said to represent the princess herself, immortalized in the stars for her bravery and beauty. Through the story of Andromeda and its celestial wonders, we are reminded of the vastness and magnificence of the universe, where galaxies dance, stars are born and die, and the eternal cycle of creation and destruction unfolds. As we continue our journey of exploration and discovery, let us keep our eyes on the stars and our minds open to the mysteries awaiting us beyond the confines of our world. Happy exploring, young space adventurers, and may the wonders of the cosmos inspire you to reach for the stars.